everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be talking about transferring your Wix site to an Editor X format, so let's get right into it. Now, why do I say talking about instead of showing you guys? That is because currently it is not possible. The only data that I've found on it, and there is a lot of tutorials and everything on how to do it, but that's all outdated. That is from at least 2 years ago, some are even from 3 and 4 years ago, which is a long time before, and Wix has since removed that functionality, so you cannot transfer your site to Editor X. The reason for this is because the functionality didn't work as intended. There might be some existing integrations which you might be able to put into place, however you cannot transfer your site to there. The only thing that I could imagine you be able to do is to copy your collections into a CSV file, into a database file, and then transfer those collections into Editor X if it is at all possible, but that is pretty much the only thing that you could possibly do. As I mentioned, it is not possible. Wix has removed that functionality as well as Editor X, so it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.